Oh, dang. My screen cracked. Huh. What's going on, guys? So, just a little thing I wanted to share with you guys. So these are the, this is the 2010 BMW 335. And it has the LEDs right here and the halos and whatnot. So if you have this model and you're experiencing an issue where it's telling, like, say it's saying whenever you go use one of your turn signals, it's not working and your halos aren't working up here and everything like that, and you're just trying to figure out, you know, everything you read says you need to replace the headlight. Well, the headlight's pretty dang expensive. So what I actually ended up doing was I have some dielectric grease right here. So you can see that silicone dielectric grease or compound, whatever. And so this is the connection. Here, let me get you some light down there so you can see what I'm talking about. So you see that right there? That's the connection to the headlight. So what I did was I removed that, and to remove that, it's got these 2 points. Let's see if I can't get y'all a shot of me doing that. It's so hard to. Alright, so you gotta like squeeze, you gotta squeeze both sides and remove it. And it's a pain in the butt to do. Let me see if I can get it with this arm. Alright, there we go. So this is it right here. I added the dielectric grease to this part right here. And so what I was able to do was, I guess it helped bridge the gap and clean the connection, because there's corrosion on, you can see corrosion. As soon as I did it, there was corrosion on this middle pin right here, right there at my thumbnail. There was corrosion there. And so I just went across all the pins. And so you just wait until you click, you know, push it until you hear the clicks. They're gonna be very quiet clicks. But that right there cured my issue with the having the issues with it saying that my turn signal wasn't working, that I was gonna have to, you know, you can't replace the bulb because it's LEDs over there. But yeah, it fixed it right on up, no problem whatsoever now. So that's just something I wanted to share with you guys, just in case you have that issue, and hopefully that will help you and save you some pennies. Because I mean, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I'm always on a budget. So that's just something to help you guys out. You see how far that one sticks out? You see, not the same. So my goal today is to get those corrected. So here I go. All right. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this one, or well, I'm gonna make this one as long as this one. And also need to get that to sit properly. But I'm gonna take this off. See, I got some holes here I want to fill too. So 15, yep, 15 is it. Well, that's all good. All right, got that off. Y'all can stay there. Oh.
I gotta get one of those. Those things are awesome.
Yeah, they are. Just had to clean off some paint there so it grounds out. Oh, let's see, guys. Make sure we don't touch that hot section there. I'm gonna say yeah. Oh, once I get this all. I mean, it's about inch out, probably an inch out. Yeah, I must say that's good. All right, all right. That'll do. It'll do. It'll do. Now we just gotta get rid of a bunch of that paint. I can take care of it. Yeah. Safety glasses. I'll do safety glasses. Got the GoPro on top of my head. While he's welding this, guys, I'll show you what we're using for this right here. Using this right here. Picked it up at the pawn shop. Somebody didn't like it. We're gonna put it put it to good use. This stick welder does a lot better welds than that MIG did.
Get down this side real quick.
So now as far as the holes, I have some holes. Let's see, as everywhere you see it grinded at, there's no paint. I have tiny little holes there.
We'll let that cool for a second. I'll go ahead and hit these holes up.
Just filling some holes that I did a terrible job welding. Y'all remember, y'all have seen it. If not, here's the video right up there. Guys, we've been recording for 21 minutes.
Hole there.
See, I'm supposed to create holes.
It should be a little thicker than that.
Yeah.
Missed that one a little bit. So much nicer having actual control over a damn voltage.
Yeah.
Like the old saying goes, grinder and paint will make the welder you ain't.
That's right. Let's
She's pretty, but she's solid.
let's put her back in after I let her cool for a second. She be hot.
Love this new welder.
Let's see. I'm gonna spray you down with some water. Or where's a cup? I can just. This'll do. There we go, guys. Got the muffler a little wet, but it'll be all right. The hot exhaust that flows out of there will remedy that. Oh, hey, can you grab that clamp that's on the table and shove this bad boy up in there? Oh. All good to go. Oh, see how she sounds. Yeah, they're not even, but that's all right. All right, guys, let's see what she sounds like. Cold start, guys. Here, I'm just gonna sit y'all back here so y'all can just, y'all can get the full-on cold start. Oh, dang. My screen cracked. Huh. Something, see if you can pick it up in the camera here. Can you see it? No, I don't think you can. I have a crack going across right here. It's crazy. It doesn't seem to affect the quality of it, but definitely got a crack in the GoPro, so that's interesting. Huh. All right then. If you are still, hey, if you're still here and you're watching it, good job and congratulations. This will be the end of the video, so I just want to say go ahead and like, subscribe. Yeah, see you guys later.